Hey everybody, it's Neon. I have this GIDEALED. I guess it is. It's a smart LED strip, 16 million colors, and let's see how it looks here. We'll open it up, and I'll show you what it comes with and everything. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see from there. So we've got the strip. It's one big loop here, and it looks like it is one of those ones with the plastic coating on it. So it's kind of got that, a rubbery feel for it. So let's see how this looks when I connect it up. And it comes with my power adapter here, and I have a plug over on the side here. So let me plug this in, and this is what it looks like. Look at that. It looks like it's got a million little lights on it. Let me roll it on over closer. Does it have a button on it? It does not. It doesn't have the remote. I have to control the app, but it will do colors and everything like that. I'm not going to be able to do it right now because I have my phone that I'm using to charge it. But look at this. Can you see it with all the LEDs? Let me zoom in. See, it's got a million little LEDs. It's got a lot of them, and they're super close together. So instead of it being one of those ones where, they're very separate, and from a distance, it's just going to look like a big neon kind of looking light. So really cool. And how long is this? This is super long. Does it say on here? And it's ZigBee controlled, so that's it. So, and it's a 10-meter kit, so it's like 30 feet. So ZigBee, so that's what my automation system is here too. So I'll be able to control this, and I'm not exactly sure where I'll put this. I think I might put it around my Murphy bed and stuff, just so it's kind of outlined and looks pretty cool. So that's what it is here, and it looks good and it works good, and it looks like it's got a waterproofy kind of coating because it's like got a rubber on it. I don't know. And it comes with the 3M tape on the back too, so it's really good. So it's a nice setup for sure. Let me show you what it looks like. You can put it around a TV, around anything. Here they show it in some other languages here, but basically they have it around just stuff. I mean, I could put it all around the top if I wanted up here. I guess it would be hard to do because it doesn't have a reveal. I could do it where it just shines the roof. But it's really cool. I like it. And 10, that's pretty long. So it's going to be long. So I'll be able to set this thing up anywhere, and it'll be all the way around. I could put it around my whole patio or something even too. So really cool. I like it. So thumbs up for me.